Hello guys, welcome to Happy Steamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Drive files. So guys, at first go to your Google Drive. Then select the file you want to download. So I'm selecting this one. Then click on the three dot icon. So guys, as you can see, there is no option to download it here. But guys, there is another way from where we can download files. For that, go to the file. And now select one. Again, tap on the three dot icon. Now you can see the download option is here. So that's mean you can download files one by one or selecting a group of files as shown. So guys, if you want to download, then tap on download. And it has started downloading, and after a while the video will be downloaded. So guys, that's how you can download Google Drive files very easily. And guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.